You know your car's ready for a drift event when spider web, blades, transmission top up, and a guard.
Oh my god, it's so clean.
Ready to go? Let's go. Woo, so we're here. He's damn hot. Big YouTube guy, still bloody stolen the process. He's made us late and everything. But it's okay. We've got, it's actually a lot of Falcons. A lot of imports as well. A couple of Crusaders. Just quite a few cars, kind of cool. Just gonna get out there once I can because I'm getting currently blocked. Let's go. Come with Grant. Literally first drive. It's a little bit hot. Car's breaking down a little bit.
So as soon as I tap the foot brake, it blew.
It's that's the same thing everyone does. That first drive. It can be fairly aggressive. It's just knowing that it's not too bad. Yeah, hop out, have a break, then jump in without, because with one passenger, it drives very different. With just one passenger,
Really?
it's
So
because of the weight, like a little bit of weight. Yeah.
So it transitions like really fast.
Yeah.
When you hit the brakes. So like
Yes.
like the Z, I'll tap the brake just to add angle. This I tap the brake, and I'm assuming it doesn't have rear brakes, does it?
What does it have? I've got a few of these. This one's got one rear brake, I think.
Okay. So
Oh, maybe I got rid of it. I actually have to check. I have so many. I literally bought another one like 2 days ago. I'm like, I don't even know where I'm at.
well, first off, thank you. That was awesome.
No, mate, that's fine.
And as soon as you tap the brake, it goes boink.
Yeah, so when you kind of use it for that light, so you flick it, and then you only use the brake for a moment if you just need to add it kind of into angle.
Yeah.
Rather than rotate it to angle.
You flick it in, and then
You flick it, and if you need a little bit more, then you kind of just pull off.
Yeah. You see me grab for the handbrake?
Oh, yeah,
it's like a safety precaution. I'm like, ah! That's like my like in like a when you're going fast, like my safety is to grab the handbrake.
Yeah, that's right.
Just to check up,
Just to make sure.
Like,
No, that's 100%.
the first like handful of laps I did in the Z, I was handbraking. It's like, this isn't working. So then I stopped and it was fine, but at least I had it there.
Yeah,
as like a
100%.
precaution. You know what I mean?
Like it will get a hydro eventually, but
It's ridiculous. These things are ridiculous, and they drift really well.
it should work. Like this is over 300,000 kilometer motor with headers and an exhaust. There's
it.
no chip in the ECU.
Yeah, it's doggy in the beginning, but as soon as it gets the wheels spinning, it's perfect.
Yeah, I mean they're big tires. They're 2, 3, 5, 40, 18.
Wow,
Yeah,
it's too cool.
yeah, it shouldn't.
So
Like normally when I started with 16.
yeah,
And
just
then
get it going,
slowly-
and then slowly ramp into the bigger tires. Yeah.
But that was just because I just want to make a streets are a bit better, but like 2 years ago, even 3, it was like, I was hated.
Oh, you were hated?
I was like,
oh, really?
yeah, everyone's like,
These cars.
pretty much, yeah. So now I've got even a few of my mates, they've got like Beamer cars, 860s.
And then an AU.
And they've just went out and bought the AUs. And they're just like, okay, we get it.
So cool. Well, it's got to be so much fun when there's 5, 6 of you guys on track.
100%. So like 7 on you, 10.
It's a blast.
It's a good time.
Yeah.
You know what everyone's doing. Everyone's auto.
Well, the cars are all the same, right? No one's going to clutch in and the car's not going to slow down.
That's the biggest thing. Everyone just clutches and you go, oh, and then boom.
Yeah.
So you know. But if you want, just go up by yourself.
Alright.
And have a few.
Alright, yeah.
Like I purely brought this up so you guys could drive it.
Oh, awesome. Thank you.
I'm pretty tired. I was painting the car at 1 AM. So I'm like, yeah.
Well, thank
But
you.
yeah, have a rip.
This is a treat.
And it is a beta, so
I'm not going to
so it literally matters. It's been a year like this,
Wow.
which is pretty long.
That's impressive.
I didn't expect it, so yeah. Anyway, I'll let you go for a rip. Woo! So unfortunately, I didn't get any footage of Grant running around at Archie with the car. But however, I've put forward through some of his driving in the States in his E36 BMW with a V8 in it. So here's a little snapshot. I hope you guys enjoyed.